doesn't love glitter around the holidays? And what's even better than glitter? Glitter popping out at you. Yes, we are going to learn how to make a pop-up card. And if you have all this glitter, of course, you could use it in your card too.
So I'm going to start by making my Christmas tree. You don't have to use a Christmas tree, so use anything, but whatever you do, just make sure you cut it out while it's folded in half, because it'll need to be folded in half in order to pop out. So I did a Christmas tree because it's symmetrical on both sides, and I thought it would just be something easy to cut out. So I got my red piece of paper that I folded in half, and I want to make sure my Christmas tree is folded opposite as my card. That's what's going to make it pop out. Look how well I filmed here. Anyway, I'm cutting two lines about halfway through the paper from the fold to the paper, and it'll be at the bottom of my page because that's where I'm attaching my Christmas tree. And then you can kind of see now I'm popping it out. So this is what it's supposed to look like when it's done. So I have the part where I cut it, and I'm folding that part in so it's opposite direction of the card. So when it closes, you'll actually have this big chunk missing out of the side of your card. We're going to add another piece of paper on the back when we're done to cover up that big chunk that's missing. So now all I have to do is glue my tree onto this part that is now popping out. So that's just the simple basics of making a pop-up card. So now I'm going to decorate it a little bit more with some presents and a tree skirt. I'm going to make some lights for my tree using this glittery orange paper and some ribbon. Now wrap that around the tree, and I've got a pop-up card that's looking pretty nice, but you know what it needs? More glitter. So my technique for using glitter is that I like to paint a thin layer of glue wherever I'm going to be adding the glitter, and I want to make sure I'm using small areas at a time so the glue doesn't dry out before I can get the glitter on there. Then I put whatever I'm going to glitter inside of a box or a tray and just dump a bunch of glitter on there. You really want to cover the whole area and just dump it on, and then you got to wait like 10 seconds for it to dry, and then I gently will shake it off. So now I'm taking another piece of paper the same size as the card. I've folded it in half, and I'm going to cover the entire thing with glue. This is going to be the outside of our card. So now I'm going to take my glittery inside of the card, and I'm going to gently, carefully place it on the card. Make sure the folds are the same in the middle, and I like to clamp this down with some paper clips while it dries. Once it dried, I decorated the front with some fun letters I cut out and this beautiful bow that I drew, and I will be doing a tutorial for how to draw that bow in the next few days. So then you open it up and glitter fest! Oh my gosh, I just love how this turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you make a pop-up card, let me see it. Share it with me on our Facebook page. Bye.